Okay, we're ready for game 2 of day 2. We've got Kyrgyzstan and Palestine playing for the challenge end of the table. Both teams had tough days yesterday. Let's see if one of the teams can get a win, their first win of the tournament. It's great to see Palestine Rugby getting a team together, and trouble getting players from around the park, but awesome to see them out there, and amazing for Kyrgyzstan in their first tournament of this caliber as well. So both teams struggled a little bit yesterday, but are looking for their first win. Let's see who can do it. Kyrgyzstan are playing in the yellow, ready to kick off. And they've tried with the short kick, and it's bounced over the 10-metre line and then been batted back, and it's worked really well for them. Palestine weren't expecting it. The number 10's run straight into contact there. And Kyrgyzstan's managed to keep the ball. They've been retained the ball well. Pass on the outside, step into contact, and he's fighting through it, fighting to keep his place. But the ball has been knocked back and it's backwards. Oh, Kyrgyzstan are going with a different tactic there, kicking it backwards to pass it across. And, oh, he's just slipped over and been tackled and rolling around. So let to play on. Kyrgyzstan taking their time here. Ball's gone to the 10. He's come out wide with the skip pass. And number 5 has broken the first tackle. But he's hung on to really well in the second tackle. Just got to roll away now, and Kyrgyzstan are back off and running. The number 10 tried to kick and go, but he was hit at the same time. The ball is deep, and Palestine now have to work it out from their own end. He's isolated, but a big clear out there. And Palestine have picked up the ball, and they are on the move. But a forward pass is called. So we'll go back, and Kyrgyzstan have a scrum 5 metres out right in front of their post with one of their best opportunities to score. Players just been told to get onside. Scrum has gone and is engaged, and the ball has come back out the back. Kyrgyzstan with a little dummy and go, and then a flick out the back. Big monster run from the number 5. He's putting the pressure on. He's just got to get over the line. He has done, and Kyrgyzstan has got a try. I think it's their first one for the tournament. They are pretty happy. And they are upbeat, getting back to start off for their kickoff. Now, it needs to be still yet to be converted. And the kick is up, and it is good. Kyrgyzstan lead Palestine 7-0. Palestine need to get their hands on the ball and see if they can make amends early on in the game. We've had 3 minutes gone and barely touched the pill, so that's how they're going to get back into the game. Can't win a game of rugby without the ball. All right, so Kyrgyzstan to kick off.
Come on!
All right, the kick has gone up really high. Looks to have gone out on the full. So it's it'll be a Palestine tap in the middle of the field. They gain possession, and let's see what they can do with it, if they can get on the scoreboard as well. All right, so a little tap and go. Palestine have been a quite straight running rugby team, as in they run into contact. A huge fend off there. And they're running around the outside, but he is caught. He tosses the ball on the inside. We've seen a bicycle kick go in the air, but it's out. Quick throw and play on. It's been allowed. Kyrgyzstan moving the ball well. He's coming in for a big run there. Runs direct into contact and then loses the ball forward. Palestine now pick it up. Their player turns and runs directly into contact. So it's been a bit of straight running here. Number 5 for Palestine picking up, sending the ball wide, but it's called a forward pass. It was dropped regardless, so didn't matter. Kyrgyzstan, the yellow, get a slight reprieve and seeing if they can come back into it.
Hurry up! Aziz! На Ковришкина доведите, Ковришкин пустой!
All right, so the scrum is engaged now. Ball's gone out. It's kind of dribbled everywhere. They've gone with the soccer tactics there, football tactics, and picked up out wide. He gets up ahead of steam and runs a big line. Number 15 goes for the kick as well, but it's charged down by number 5 for Palestine and then kicked out by Kyrgyzstan. Palestine look to take it quickly. All right, so it'll be a Palestine line out about 10 meters from their attacking try line. All right, we're just getting players set in the right positions. Kyrgyzstan missing someone in the hooker channel there. All right, Palestine run the ball out. Broken the first tackle, broken the second tackle, broken the third tackle. It's a man on a mission, pumping as hard as he can. And Kyrgyzstan managed to get him down on the ground. Palestine with the reset here. Picks up the ball and runs through, untouched, through the middle and scores a try. That will bring the score a bit closer with 7-5. Still a kick to come for Palestine. Let's see if they can even up this game.
Тренер туда пошел. Подожди, еще не было свистка. Свистка дождись, потом пойдешь.
All right, the kick was good. The flag went up, and it is half time. We're going in 7-all. All right, and we are getting ready for our second half here. Teams have swapped ends. We're going in 7 apiece, and both teams looking for that winning try, that winning formula. Palestine Rugby will be kicking off. They're kicking off towards the cliffs. Kyrgyzstan need to get their hands on the ball and try and get out of their defensive end. Oh, he's just dropped it. Play on here. Lebanon picked it up. Palestine picked it up, and they're gone. And then is a knock on. Steam, the first one was backwards, but it'll be a scrum here to yellow. All right, so the scrum is going in. Kyrgyzstan put it in. It's come out the side and then picked up by Palestine, but the refs called it back for a scrum reset. Okay, so Kyrgyzstan will have the scrum put in again. They put it in and pick it up at the back, and he's gone straight around the scrum and open for the gap. He's then kicked it forward. The Palestine players are back. Oh, it's dropped forward. They've kicked it. They've kicked it again. And it should be a 5-meter scrum. And we'll see what the refs are calling here. Yeah, 5-meter scrum for Kyrgyzstan as Palestine put that ball out. Oh, but no, it seems that Palestine got the put in. I'm as confused as you are, but they're working over the ball. Come out, he's picked the ball up at the back and then been rampaged, but he's made it free. Stands up because he wasn't held. Oh, unlucky, it didn't look to be held, but they're getting their medical team on now. One of the Kyrgyzstan players is struggling a bit. Getting a little bit of treatment. As Lebanon makes, Palestine makes some substitutions. I'm really struggling with getting my names right this morning.
Пока ему помощь оказывают, потом снова его можно запустить. Даже несколько кадров. Игрок травмирован. Азиз, как ты себя чувствуешь? Азиз!
All right, Kyrgyzstan go tap and go. And they put in a little kick forward, but it is regained by Palestine. Palestine and try and shift it wide and then come back inside into traffic, but he's through the first tackle. Oh, it's been a big collision there. And then he's dropped the ball backwards. Kyrgyzstan picked the ball up. They're fighting for it. A slightly high tackle. Didn't matter. He pushed through and got over the line. Kyrgyzstan scored their second try of the game. Takes the score out to 12-7 with a kick to come. Okay, the kick is up. Didn't make it there, so unconverted. So the score stays at 12-7. Kyrgyzstan will be kicking off. All right, and the ball is up. It bounced, but just short before it was picked up by Kyrgyzstan. It does have to cross the plane of the 10-meter line, so it just has to go across that line in some way, shape, or form. But it was picked up a little bit early. Palestine with a short give, pop pass. Good timing there from the Kyrgyzstan tackler to put pressure on, but then he's off his feet, trying to hold on to the ball, but he's given the reward for it. A quick tap there. Nope, they've decided not to go. One of the Palestinians is down holding his head. So we'll just get a little bit of treatment there, and then it'll be a Kyrgyzstan reset. We've got about 2 minutes left on the game. All right, a nice warm day out there. As we see, one of the players getting treatment. Palestine deciding whether they were going to make a sub or not. The card system has confused a few people down there today. But it's been a really great tournament so far. Some amazing rugby played, some less so, but amazing for every team to be putting up an international team. And their competition is always getting better and helping rugby grow. All right, so we're going to restart. It is a penalty to Kyrgyzstan. Let's see what options they take here. They've decided with a kick for touch. Had me tricked as well. But it will be a Kyrgyzstan put in. Let's see if they could be sneaky again. I think Palestine tricked them into losing the ball earlier. So we'll go for another line out. All right, so Kyrgyzstan with the throw in and the lead with about a minute left. It's gone over the top. It's given it as not straight. So Palestine with less than a minute to go to try and win this game. All right, so it'll be a Palestine feed into the scrum. Big push. Oh, Kyrgyzstan's really making them work for it here. It's bubbling out the back and it's bouncing. Kyrgyzstan looked first to jump on it, but he's tackled well there and been a knock on from Kyrgyzstan and then booted away. Got to be careful kicking the ball away like that. You can give away your advantage. But a scrum has been called. Kyrgyzstan will take the ball. Oh, sorry, Palestine will get the ball, and they have about 85 meters to go if they're going to score. All right, the ball went in. Kyrgyzstan's made a mess of that scrum again, but Palestine's still got it. The final hooter has sounded, so this is the last play of the game. Big step from the Palestinian, and then it is kicked through, but a knock on there, and that is the game. And that is full time. Kyrgyzstan have won their first game in the Asia Rugby Sevens trophy, and they are very excited. Well done to them. Palestine yet to get on the winners board, but a really good effort from Kyrgyzstan to get up and get this win.